Hi, everybody. Welcome to Paul Programs. Today, we're going to be talking about LinkedIn and why you should be on it as a game developer in 2024. And with everything that's going on in the game industry, it's really a great tool that will get you going on your job hunt, or maybe even provide a tool to help you build your personal or professional brand. So, let's get started. To get started, we're going to talk about job hunting. And LinkedIn is a really great tool for job hunting. It actually has a job search feature, which is really important for when you want to actually look for your next career or when you're trying to find something during this time. And using the filters and really sorting that stuff out will really help you find positions that are very well tailored and suited to what you want to do and what you're looking to do moving forward. Also, it'll help you when you know someone who may be in your network and you see a role related to it, you can reach out to them about it because they could actually send you an internal link for applying because you don't always want to really rely on just the job search that's built into LinkedIn. But the other part of it is research, researching companies to find jobs. LinkedIn's very good at providing you a great search to find companies within industries, go to their websites, and then eventually get to their job boards. This is usually a better way than trying to apply on LinkedIn itself, especially with Easy Apply, because Easy Apply, you can see thousands and thousands of applications, and really, you don't want to compete against that many people for an Easy Apply job. It's better to go the places where are less likely to be searched or applied through. And then the other part too is notifications. You can actually have LinkedIn send you tailored notifications for jobs and different like positions based on what you're actually interested in looking for, and they'll send you daily emails or weekly emails or whatever frequency you want it at. But that can also help when something shows up in the current day. It's like you can then apply for those roles that are actually suited for you based on how you filter that. And then the last bit is following recruiters or if people in companies. Just following them is easy enough. It doesn't require becoming a connection with them. And usually, you can actually, if you update your feed to show recent, you'll see when they post new roles as soon as they happen. And that's really one of the best ways to get started in your job hunt and really how you can leverage LinkedIn as a job hunting tool. LinkedIn isn't only a tool for job hunting, it's also a tool for helping you develop your brand. And we're really going to dive into more of a personal brand first. And then from there, we'll talk about professional company style brand. So when you're developing a personal brand, LinkedIn actually lets you put your professional foot forward. You can actually create posts where you can share your background or things that you're involved with or interested in. It's a great way to create engagement in LinkedIn, and you do get rated on engagement when you use LinkedIn. So it's definitely important to make leverage of posts, but also you can actually write more detailed articles. And this is where you can really show your professionalism and really show your expertise with it because when you develop an article, you can really show your understanding of a particular subject matter. You can put in the effort, edit it, all that stuff, and really help display how you have an understanding on this very specific topic. And that's why it's definitely recommended that even if it's maybe once a month or once every 2 months, take some time, maybe write a simple article based on just some of your expertise. Say you created something really cool and you want to show it off or explain how you solved a problem so others can see how you did it. That can be really useful too because recruiters and other professionals in your industry could run into this article. They can engage with it, they can share it to others, and this is how you can help build a reputation as being an expert in your specific field. And then really it's all about who you connect with, basically the people you're connecting with, making sure they're within the same industry, and then basically building up that kind of Rolodex that you can only do on LinkedIn. And this is helps just build up your brand because these people can give you recommendations if you worked with them before, or if like it's someone you know, they can actually like you can have conversations with them, you can actually learn from them and things like that. All these different interactions really help develop your personal brand on LinkedIn. And now we really want to talk about professional. And LinkedIn is a professional social network, and it really is about making use of LinkedIn to show the work you're actually doing. LinkedIn is a great marketing tool to show people professionally what you worked on, what you are working on. And that goes from updating your profile to show current projects or current like positions that you're currently at. Even if it's a freelance gig or if you're working a full time somewhere, it lets people know what you've done. And professionally, that's really important because then people can check your LinkedIn, recruiters will look into it, hiring managers could look at it, those in the industry that may be curious about working with you or working under you. They'll do the research and see who you are, what you've done, and really showing off that is important. And if you are running a business, LinkedIn is a great way to show, like, hey, I have a company. This is what we're doing. Here's some of the stuff we're working on, and here's what our plan is professionally as a company. It's a great way of having a professional space where your company can really shine, grow, and show the industry what you're actually working on. So, hopefully, taking a look at LinkedIn from a job hunting and branding perspective, it'll give you some insight on like why you should use LinkedIn. But really, it is important to just connect with other game developers. Even if you're not looking for a new role, LinkedIn's a great place for it because those connections that you make on there, you can run into them people at events and be like, oh, hey, remember we chatted on LinkedIn. It's like if you're at GDC, and then it could be like, oh, cool, this is what we look like. We can even set up meetups with people, meetings, and it's really just a great way just to keep growing the game development community. And LinkedIn is a tool that's great for it. And there's a lot of other people on LinkedIn who provide a lot of resources. And I definitely recommend checking them out. I'll put some links down below for other great people who are on LinkedIn that you can follow to kind of get started. But LinkedIn really is your professional network. And with everything being very remote and digital, LinkedIn helps kind of bridge a lot of the spaces that you don't get filled anymore because you may not be able to go events or you may not live in a city where there's a lot of other game developers. So hopefully this was helpful to everyone. And if you'd like to see more videos like this, let me know in the comment section below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, hit ding dong ding if you want to know when new videos are dropping. And thanks for watching, everyone. I will catch you next time.